Hello friends, today's topic capital gains tax on stocks may go up further. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. In the recent budget, the government announced a hike in both short-term and long-term capital gains tax. Many people are expecting that the stock markets will correct a bit because of this decision. However, markets have rallied further after the announcement. Nifty hardly reacted negatively. Observing the reaction of the markets to the capital gains tax announcement, the government has become quite confident that a further hike may also not impact markets negatively. As per brokerage firm Jefferies is expecting another hike in capital gains tax in February 2025, the next budget is announced. In case the government hikes the capital gains tax further, we need to see how market reacts to it. Many other Asian countries don't have any capital gains tax such as Singapore, Hong Kong, etc. There is a chance that the increase in tax may impact real estate market too, since the buying properties for investment purposes will become less profitable. Now, number of people reporting capital gains tax. Financial year 2018 and 19, number of people reporting on long-term capital gains 8 lakhs. Number of people reporting short-term capital gains 11 lakhs. As of 2022-23, number of people reporting long-term capital gains 39 lakhs. Number of people reporting short-term capital gains 47 lakhs. As for Jefferies, Indian government is likely to collect capital gains tax of about 1.6 lakh crore in 2024-25. It was around rupees 1.3 lakh crore in 2023-24. The government has collected around 32,000 crores in STT, Securities Transaction Tax, in 2023-24 compared to 11,500 crores in 2018 and 19. History of capital gains tax on stocks. 1992, long-term capital gains 20% with indexation. 1997, long-term capital gains 20% indexation or 10% without indexation. 2004, capital gains long-term exempt. 2008, exempt. 2018, 10% gains above 1 lakh. 2024, 12.5% on gains above 1.25 lakhs. Now coming to short-term capital gains and the history. 1992, it was slab rate. 1997, slab rate. 2004, it was only 10%. 2008, 15%. 2018, 15%. 2024, 20%. In fact, the markets have corrected heavily after the recent hike in capital gains tax. The government would have been slightly concerned about the future tax hikes. However, since there has been hardly any negative impact on the tax hike, the government can be bold in hiking capital gains tax in the coming years. Many things in investments are under our control, such as our investment amount, duration of investment, selection of instruments, etc. However, how the markets move, tax rates, and the overall economic growth are unfortunately not in our control. Even though tax collection is supposed to help nation development, still it hurts to pay high taxes on income and capital gains. This is especially true when we don't see our tax money being used for good purposes, and also when there are lakhs and crores of people who are supposed to pay taxes but evade taxes while the government does not take stringent action to punish such people. So mentally be prepared for gradual rise in all kinds of taxes and also introduction of new taxes in the coming years. Here is an announcement. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮತ್ತು ಮದುವೆಗೆ ಹಣ ಅನಾಯಾಸವಾಗಿ ಹೊಂದಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಒಂದು ಚರ್ಚೆ. ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಲೈವ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದೇ ಮಂಗಳವಾರ 10 ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ ರಾತ್ರಿ 9 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಆನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಭರತ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಚಾನೆಲ್. End of the video, here is the question. Do you think in February 2025 government may hike capital gains tax again? Yes or no? You may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.